In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from being broke to making anything from $500 to $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing, even as a complete beginner. You don't need a website and you don't need a social media following. The simple strategy that I'm going to show you today can generate a lot of money for you. All you need is your phone, computer, and an internet connection. And the best part is that this method is completely free. But not only that, I'm also going to show you a simple strategy that's not only going to help you make more money now, but if you do this right, your income will only continue to stack and grow with time. And I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to share a secret strategy that no one's telling you about. We're going to be using YouTube Shorts, and I'll show you why in just a second. If I show you one of the shorts that we'll be creating content around, you'll see that these videos primarily talk about things like different types of websites, AI tools, how to make money online, etc. You can make so many different types of videos around a topic that we'll be covering in this video or any other topic or niche. The sky is really the limit, and I got proof. I'm going to show you how other people are doing this, and they're absolutely crushing it. But they're missing out on one key factor and leaving a lot of money on the table. They don't have a pinned comment, and that's what we're going to use to make even more money. When people watch these videos, you want to tell them to click the link in the pinned comment that's going to lead to your affiliate offer. But in this case, we're going to send them to a landing page, something like this, and offer free value or content in exchange for their email, like a list of websites that they can use as affiliate marketers. So they will enter their email for that list of websites, and I'm going to show you a ninja trick shortly to help you generate sales immediately. So be sure to stick around to the end. But now that you have these people in your email list, it's a gold mine, because you can target them with different types of products related to the topic or niche that you're in through future email broadcasts, and I'm going to show you how to put it all together. So I'm going to show you some strategies of other people that are also doing this. So if you come over to YouTube and you just type in something like best AI tools and websites, what we're primarily looking for is people that are doing this with shorts. So we just want to scroll down to the short shelf. As you can see, these videos are getting a lot of views. This one here has 173,000 views, 2.3 million views. Crazy AI websites you didn't know existed at 481,000 views. So we know there's a demand and people are interested in this kind of content. Now what we want to do is open up some of these profiles. Let's take a look at this one over here called Simply Digital, and you can see he's got about 25,000 subscribers. And if we look at his most popular videos, he's getting tens and thousands of views. When you take a look at what he's doing on TikTok, you can see he has 2.1 million followers with pretty much the same kind of content. And here in this bio, he's got a link. And if you click on it, it's going to take you over to different types of products and affiliate offers that he's promoting. And this is how he's been able to make millions of dollars using this exact strategy. So that's the first person I wanted to show you. The second one is called Social T Pro, and he got close to gaining 200,000 subscribers in 1 week because one of his videos went viral. If we go down here and go to popular, you will see this one has 19 million views, which is absolutely possible. YouTube Shorts are really blowing up. And if we take a look at his recent uploads, he's still getting tens and thousands of views. Now, if we look at Social Blade, you can see that he's getting over 2 million views per month on YouTube. And if you look here, you'll see that he got over 12 million views in just 1 week because of that video that went viral. And because of that, he also gained 148,000 subscribers in 1 week. You can also find him on TikTok, and you can see that he's uploading the exact same content. And I'm going to show you an idea of how you can come up with content for these videos, how to create these videos very quickly, where you're going to get a product, and how you're going to put it all together so you could also make money with affiliate marketing. So when you come over here and you click on this link, it's going to bring you over to this page, which is basically a landing page that he created. And to create a page like this, you can use Linktree, and it's completely free. People use pages like this to promote affiliate offers, and as you can see here, that's exactly what he's doing. because all of these different websites have different affiliate links. So he's promoting an AI tool called Syllabi, I think it's pronounced. You can hire his marketing agency. And then there's Ranked AI, which is an SEO tool. And every single one of these links that he has here, he's promoting because he's making money from them. If you were to go here to get my list of useful websites, it's going to bring you over to this page. And this is the page that I showed you in the beginning. First, he wants your email, so you will enter your email address because you want to get the list of useful websites. And once you do that, it's going to bring you over to this page, which is another simple landing page. It's really clean, and he created a video, which is probably him telling you that the list of useful websites are going to be sent to your email. But before you do that, he wants to tell you why you should buy his affiliate marketing course, which is $97. So once you watch this and you say, yes, I want the course, you just click here. And then it's going to take you over to the checkout page. And as you can see, he's charging $97, which is a really big discount from $1,000. I'm pretty sure it's a good course. This guy has an awesome channel, but I really just wanted to show you exactly how his funnel works. And this is how he's been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. So how are you going to be able to replicate exactly what these people are doing using nothing but your mobile phone to create this very simple content? And you don't even have to show your face. So let's say you wanted to create a video about the latest AI content that's coming out. How are you going to integrate an offer if you don't have your own course? Well, it's really simple. All you have to do is go to Google and type in something like best AI writing tools, just for an example. And another way that you can get ideas is to look at what successful people are doing on their TikTok profiles, on YouTube, Instagram Reels, and maybe even Pinterest, and model after that. So once you type that in, you just want to scroll down, and for example, you're going to find something like the best 56 free AI writing assistant picks in 2023. And the cool thing about this is that they're free, so that could be the hook for people to watch your video. So we're just going to open this up. Now all we need to do is open up some of these free AI writing assistants. And I went ahead and opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to do a video on 5 free AI writing assistants that you need to know about in 2023. So the only thing that you need to do now is to get your phone out and go to the first one. Now simply record each AI writing assistant, and you don't even have to show your face. All you have to say is that you want to show them the top 5 AI writing assistants, starting with the first one, which is Writesonic, and just tell them a little bit about it. And remember, all you have to do is look at what successful people are doing and model your videos after that. And then you would continue to do the same for the second one, which is Jasper. The third one, AnyWord. Then the fourth is Writer. And the fifth is Simplified. But before you show them the fourth or fifth writing assistant, you want to present your offer. So this is when you would tell them, hey, if you want to make money online, or if you want to lose weight, basically whatever your offer is, whatever content you're creating or niche you're in, you want to put that somewhere in the middle of your content. For example, let's say that we wanted to tell them that if they wanted to start making thousands of dollars a week, then they need to click the link in the pinned comment. And then you're going to show them exactly how they can do that. You can even show them that particular website, go through it and show them what's involved with that particular website, and then move on to the last AI writing assistant. So how are you going to get this offer so you can begin to promote one of these products? To do that, you just want to go to clickbank.com. There are other affiliate websites like Digistore24, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, just to name a few. But in this video, we're going to use ClickBank as an example. So just go over to ClickBank. It's completely free to sign up. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Just be sure you go to the marketplace and click on top offers. Then you will see a list of categories here on your left. And there's a lot of different categories that you can choose from for different niches. But we're just going to use e-business and e-marketing, for example. And then we want to sort by high to low. This is going to show us products that a lot of affiliate marketers are currently having success with, which just shows us that if they're able to sell it, there's no reason why you can't sell it with this strategy also. So what you want to do is just scroll down and find a product that you like to promote. A really cool one is this one here, where you can tell people that if you want to get paid using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, click on the link in the pinned comment. You can even create a video on the most popular social media sites and then tell them that you can get paid using social media. So you will have to try and tie all of that in. And then all you need to do is click promote, create hop link, and this is your affiliate link, so you just want to copy it. And I'll show you what you need to do with that in just a bit. So I'm just going to close out of here. And another thing that you want to do is click onto their affiliate page. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. And this is where a lot of these different types of affiliate marketing products are going to offer you tools to help you promote these products. If I scroll down a little bit, you'll see here that you actually get an email sequence. And if I click on there and scroll down, you have a total of 20 emails in this sequence. So you don't even have to write your own emails. All you need to do is use their affiliate resources and you have an email sequence. And you will find these affiliate pages with almost every single product because vendors want to make it easy for you to get sales and make money. Because if you make money with affiliate marketing, they're also going to make money. So once you know what product that you want to promote, then you need to create your own video. Now you want to have that email sequence set up because if they don't make a purchase right away, you want to make sure that you put them through that email sequence so they start receiving those emails and they'll have more incentive to purchase. To do that, you want to come over to this website called convertkit.com, and this is the email marketing software that we're going to use to set up our email sequence. And the best thing about ConvertKit is if you click on pricing and scroll down a little bit, you will see that you can actually start for free up to your first 1,000 email signups. And once you reach 1,000 signups, you could already be making money, and that's going to cover the price of the software. So when you reach 1,000 plus email subscribers and you have to upgrade to the paid version, it's really no out-of-pocket cost. So as you can see, up to 1,000 subscribers, you can use the free plan. And the good thing about the free plan is that you can create unlimited landing pages, unlimited forms, and you can send unlimited email broadcasts, which is really important. So even though it's free, you can send as many emails as you like. So the only thing you want to do now is sign up and log in. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And the first thing that you want to do is create your landing page. To do that, you just want to come up to the top and click Grow and select Landing Pages and Forms. Now scroll down to the bottom and click Create New. Then select Landing Page. Now it's going to bring you to this page where you can pick your template, and I'm just going to choose this one. And to customize these templates is really simple. If I were you, I would just log in and play around with them. It's how I learned. And it's absolutely free, so you have all the time in the world to figure this out. It's also simple. If you want to edit the image, you would just click on it and edit or replace. And here where it says subscribe to our newsletter, you might want to say something like make money with Facebook. And of course, this is where people are going to enter their email address that's going to go into your sequence. And here where it says subscribe, you can just say something like get access. And you can also customize this text here to your offer. And as you can see, when you click on this button, you got button styles where you can edit the button. Or you can go to general styles and edit the fonts and the background image. It's all completely customizable. But what's really important is that you want everyone that enters their email address to get redirected to your affiliate offer. To do that, you just want to go up here to settings. And we're going to click redirect to an external page. And this is where we're going to put our affiliate link from ClickBank. So now we want to go back to ClickBank and we're going to click promote, create hop link, and copy our affiliate link. Then we're going to go back and paste it in here and click save. Once you do that, they'll be redirected to your product after they enter their email. Now you want to click publish and copy this link. And this is the link that you're going to paste in the pinned comment of your YouTube Shorts videos. Or if you're going to use TikTok, you're going to paste it in your bio. But with TikTok, you need at least 1,000 followers to have the option to put the link in your bio. But when it comes to YouTube Shorts, you just want to write a comment, click on these three dots, and you want to pin it to the top. Now all you need to do is continue to create these YouTube Shorts, which you can monetize and get paid for, by the way. So you can make money from creating these YouTube Shorts and make money with affiliate marketing. And all you need to do is continue to rinse and repeat. Keep uploading these videos, and I guarantee you, if one of these videos blows up and you're promoting one of these affiliate offers, the results could be life-changing. Not only are you going to have a lot of email signups that you can market to in the future, but you could be making a lot of money with affiliate marketing and YouTube ad revenue. Like I said, all you need to do is rinse and repeat and you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.